yeah. Oh.
I am kind of scared. Jamie, which way should we go? That way?
This is our intro. Heather found some cactus over here, and she wants to pick a wild cactus and eat it. She said it's like a blackberry, right? You find it and eat it. But I'm just worried that we're not picking edible blackberries or cactus, and we're gonna poison ourselves.
It's a little hard to get through that root there. Alright, so we scooped it out earlier, and we're adding some sticks here to make a bed for the coals to sit on so air can get underneath them also. Oh, shit.
In the air. What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere. I love Nightmare Before Christmas.
So, red. Ow. Okay. Telling ghost stories.
You have a backup plan.
Yes. Ramen. We have ramen. Backup plan.
Drinking out the cap.
Why?
I don't know, it's just fancy for me.
You never wash those
Right,
dishes.
look, if this says, it's fine, you don't have to wash it. That's what it says.
Can I see?
It is. It says,
Yeah,
it's
can we
fine.
get a second opinion?
This product is not designed or intended to use as a vessel in fire pits.
That's not what it says.
This product is
You're
not
lying.
designed or intended for use as a combustion vessel such as fire pits.
That means don't start a fire inside of it. Like this isn't like where you make fires inside of.
That's what I thought we were
So
catching
who's
fire.
a liar here?
There you go. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey. Not yet, not yet.
Can you hold this? All it's pretending to smoke with green beans.
Yeah.
Scary story.
Is it your boyfriend?
No, scary story.
That's your boyfriend. Batman.
I am married to Batman.
It's getting really dark, so we're gonna move the party inside. Come here, babe.
What time is it?
Heather's doing an awesome job.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what time is
Spilling the wine, that's
Yeah,
bad.
Heather's doing an awesome
We're gonna
job.
clean up and eat inside.
Yep, we're going inside.
it? Say, my soul.